case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1995 case that gripped the United States Bankruptcy Court for the Central District of California, a property owner named Eun Hoi Hwang was able to successfully challenge the attempt to foreclose on her property by James and Edna Stearns. The Stearns accusation centered on the premise that Hwang had neglected to pay her property taxes, an allegation she refuted, as she was up to date with her mortgage payments. In response to the looming threat of losing her property, Hwang swiftly filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, thereby halting the foreclosure process. She also took legal action against the Stearns, accusing them of wrongful foreclosure and demanding reparations for damages. The case cast a spotlight on the question of wrongful foreclosure, a legal term referring to a lender illegitimately foreclosing on a property, thus infringing upon a property owner's rights. After scrutiny, the court came down on the side of Hwang, upholding that the actions of the Stearns were indeed a violation of her property rights. Hwang, the proprietor of an indoor swap meet, used the disputed property as her business premises, and it was home to a number of tenants, most of whom hailed from the same ethnic background as her. In 1990, Hwang had purchased both the business and the property from the Stearns, making partial payment through a promissory note. Payments were streamlined on a monthly basis on every 25th of the month, attracting a late charge for any delayed payments. The court decision brought the foreclosure to a standstill, and it set the stage for a new hearing to ascertain the damages to Hwang. The ruling recognized that the defendant was within their rights to contest for foreclosure, but only upon default under the promissory note and deed of trust. As the plaintiff and rightful property owner, any unauthorized infringement on Hwang's property rights was categorized as a trespass. The court ruling ultimately emphasized that property owners' rights could not be subjugated without just cause, a compelling interpretation of the law that continues to resonate in property disputes throughout the country.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.